am sorry for your loss.
You show your naivete. Mission suggest this is an inconvenience. We are navigators. We are above care. You refused to accept what you became the moment you bent hyperspace to your will. And an alien, separate and superior.
I am still a Hagaran. My fleet is at my back. We fight together. We risk death together.
Tiamat thought the same. You were not there with her as the hull plating enwrapped her like an ice-cold blanket. You did not hear the hiss of the plasma torches as they sealed her in. You did not watch her scour whole fleets from the skies of their homeworlds, then return to her own to find herself distrusted and hated. And you were not there the day she returned to re-educate her people in the ways and meaning of her will. But you will learn. Everything is heard in the void. And there is nowhere you can go that I will not find you. Vicious girl.
Hyperspace successful. We have arrived at the Buran ice shelf. Initiating descent into Crystal Cloud for stealth profile. I know the way. I'm coming for you, Karen. Mothership hiding in Nebula. I'm picking up heavy sensor interference on all channels. This environment is rich in deuterium crystal deposits.
Destroying the War Sage and his fleet of the Veil has bought us time. But the Queen's forces will converge from across the anomaly as soon as they pick us up. We must be careful.
Go hiding in Nebula.
Our destination is this narrow fissure that leads deep into the ice shelf. The data command has recovered indicates we can use it to get closer to the Karsajuk's last known position. We're already picking up high-powered enemy sensors throughout this region. The pulse levels look optimized to pick up a mothership-class vessel. Crystal Cloud will not hide the mothership from these sensor posts.
Intel, I'm picking up a Capital-class hyperspace signature.
Confirmed. Incarnate carrier group, heavy escort. Their comms are quiet. They haven't spotted us yet.
Their fleets react faster than we ever could. There must be scattering groups all over the shelf, updating mission parameters. The mothership must remain undetected by all enemy forces in the region. The Queen won't hold back if she finds us. Keep the Karkushan in the cloud and out of sensor range. Use the fleet to destroy the sensor posts and anything else that might detect the mothership. clear a path.
We're off sensors. Ready to go. Go for
The advanced sensor post will still detect the mothership inside the crystal cloud. Do not advance until the path is clear.
Command, we've intercepted local Incarnate communications. These vessels are a patrol group from a much larger fleet called the Queen's Guard. There's a lot to parse here. We'll shunt anything else interesting your way for analysis.
Thank you, Ops.
Acknowledged. Copy that. Ops, controller lead. Operations underway.
Production complete. Torpedo...
Engineering reports a final upgrade to hull integrity on all strike craft has been made available.
Ready to copy. Confirm SO. Support adjusting. Link is open. Do you have us, lead?
Support frigate is now ready.
Check screens. We have you on scope.
Send message.
Looking good.
Group 5 assigned.
We have arrived at our designated coordinates.
Group 1 reinforced.
Production complete. Torpedo frigate deploying.
Group 5 reinforced.
We are holding on target positions.
Release equalization valves. Set.
Target sent. Maintain safe distance.
Confirming security escort. Awaiting link ID.
Upgrade complete.
Go for ion. Suppression frigate relocating. Resources marked. You are go on. Suppression frigate holding on station. Aye, command. Moving in.
Group 1 reinforced.
Ready to copy.
Engage enemy units. As long as the mothership doesn't get detected, we won't draw a whole armada down on top of us.
Pull us out of the combat.
Scratch one.
Hostile prevent destroy.
Good kill. Ship target. Receiving. We got a hostile frigate on lock. Contact. Enemy strike craft. Give me zone coverage. Send message.
Engaging.
Send transmission.
Come about.
Focus strikes on the sensor posts. We must clear the way for the mothership to move undetected.
We have contact. Enemy frigate. In a firefight, command.
Gunnery main scratch one enemy frigate.
Hostile sensor post eliminated.
Position noted. Moving now.
The mothership is clear to proceed ahead. Advance the mothership to the location indicated.
Operations. Move out. Maintain active scan, all zones.
Channel open. Set. Receiving.
Command, Destroying that sensor post sent out an automated alarm response to all Incarnate forces in the sector.
The Queen's Guard have been alerted. The mothership is still undetected, but we should anticipate a strong reaction force. Let's hope it's not the whole armada. How much time do we have?
Unclear. Minutes, maybe? Less than an hour, certainly.
Understood. Maintaining mission objectives. We can't turn back now.
Railgun corvette complete.
Ops. Collectors are out. Materials uptake incoming. Down. Reset message.
Enemy frigate neutralized. The reactor's in overload. Nailed it. Enemy frigate down.
Go for assault.
Hostile frigate destroyed. Retarget.
Target position confirmed. Helm, move us out.
Mothership.
Ready to copy. Understood. Will X.
Railgun corvette production complete.
Wade, this is support. Come in.
Wait, copies. Receiving. No has been
Group 3 reinforced.
ready. Enemy frigate on enemy frigate targeting us. Into the error of their ways. You are clear for evasion. Hostile frigate. Engaging.
Hostile frigate. Engagement.
Enemy frigate down. Adjust tracking strike craft in range. Command, reporting enemy frigate destroyed.
Critical hit. Enemy frigate destroyed.
Direct hit.
Adjust target set for range. Target position set.
Receiving.
Send message.
Sensor post destroyed.
Ready to copy.
Another corvette down.
Move the mothership to the indicated coordinates.
Channel open. Stand by.
Receiving. Understood. Route laid in. Ready to copy.
Marked. Relocating now.
Ops, are you picking up that irregularity on sensors?
Nothing but occasional Incarnate comms chatter that I'm shunting to Intel Command. Nothing irregular.
It's like an intermittent fast radio burst or a residual quantum waveform echo.
Sorry, Command. I could fine-tune the sensors if you gave me specific parameters.
Never mind. Just let me know if anything unexpected shows up on your boards. No matter how insignificant.
Will do, Command.
Fallback position marked. Breach contact.
Caution, destroyer is taking fire.
Copy. Helm, move on target.
Hostile frigate in
Go for ion.
firing. Send message. All missile gunners. Engage target with volley fire.
Ready to copy. Coordinates confirmed. Destroyer closing range. Reroute power to weapons. And make it count. Fleet is on station. Bomber lead standing by.
Target's reactor insurgent.
Direct hit. Enemy frigate destroyed.
New target.
Send message. E-Gen to overcharge. Ready evasive.
Destroyer receiving. Send.
Aye, Command. We are in combat here.
Capital class hyperspace signature detected.
No sensor pings on the hull have been reported. The mothership remains undetected.
Alert. A second carrier group has entered the AO. Maintain stealth profile. Only engage if absolutely necessary.
Confirmed.
Hostile sensor post destroyed. Only one sensor post remains. Keep pushing.
Received.
Go for assault.
Advance the mothership to the location indicated.
Receiving. Copy on reading usage of 5x5.
Move us to marked position.
Maintain Ion frigate on station. Send transmission. Spinning up collectors for capture operations. We have green across the board.
Helm. Adjust. Sensors. Monitor.
EOS to primary. I don't want any surprises. Ion frigate is on location. Ready to copy.
Caution, resource controller taking damage.
Engaging hostile frigate.
Caution, resource controller hull integrity at 75%. Alert, resource controller hull integrity at 50% and falling.
Fleet, enemy.
Warning, resource controller nearing critical. Hull integrity at 25%.
Let's go.
Hostile frigate neutralized.
Awaiting orders.
A resource controller has been destroyed.
We have target receiving on a destroyer.
Enemy destroyer.
Send relays for sequence fire. Good luck. Ion copies. Go.
Contact in range.
Ready to come. Gunner, set for combat. Contact warning. Send best destroyer. Target locked. Enemy destroyer.
Hostile frigate.
Group 4 suffering heavy losses.
Enemy frigate detected in range. Adjust. Ready to copy. Target marked.
Back up. ID confirmed.
Group 3 needs support.
Corvette down.
Crash flooded.
Ship destroyed. Controller inbound. Taking sun message. Send. Charge to full. Ready to make
Resource controller complete and ready for operation.
Sustaining critical damage. Taking heavy damage. Receiving.
Position noted. Enemy operators, caution.
Reading you loud and clear, Command. Ops controller. Collection is underway. Go for intercept. Green line confirmed. Fleet Corvette take powered autoloaders. Let's keep those shells coming.
Caution, destroyer is taking fire.
Go for run. Fleet, interceptor lead. In position.
Take out the sensor posts to ensure the mothership's path is clear.
Target confirmed. We're locked in. Radio sequence fire. Go. Attack vector set.
Go for support. Taking support position. Awaiting link ID. Receive. Data link is good. Update kidney gen safe distance embedded.
Send
All sensor posts destroyed. Objective complete.
Command channel open. Attention.
Ready on quick charge cycle.
Advance the mothership to the marked fissure. Maintain stealth profile.
Ready on sequence 5.
Target
The
scanners
reactor
on.
is on Corvette
Finding new
destroyed.
target. Hostile destroyer in effective range. Help. Monitor counterfire. Target
Corvette destroyed.
coming around on new attack vector. Destroyer in attack range. Firing on hostile destroyer. Contact warning. Enemy destroyer. Ready for orders.
Railgun corvette ready. Launching.
Receiving.
Course laid. Scopes clear.
Railgun corvette production complete.
All significant enemy forces in the sector destroyed.
Comms are quiet. Any remaining ships are in full retreat.
We've bought some time while they regroup. Let's put it to good use. Mothership hiding in Nebula. The mothership is approaching the cavity. Forward scanning at full resolution. Collision avoidance systems online. We're inside. Deuterium density exceeds estimates. The mothership is now well hidden from all long-range scans.
All ships, proceed with silent running protocols. Minimal profile. Watch for hazards.